Just wanted to do an update on Sofi. I made a video yesterday saying that I thought we were about to start the third wave, head to 1340. We did hit that today. We hit 1343. So that was almost perfect. However, I thought we were only in the third wave. We would consolidate to maybe 1270, 1280. Looked good. And then I thought we would head back up to 14. That did not happen. And so I had to change the chart based off what happened. And actually, first of all, I changed the waves over here. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now where I think we're at is 1. This is a 5-wave move. You can't see it unless I go down a time frame. Let's go 30-minute. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A. And then where I think we're at now is we did A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C of B. So we have A, B. And then I thought we were going to go higher here. I thought we were just starting the third wave and we could go down to the fourth wave and then go higher. But this right here broke all the way down to 1235, which broke, what fib did that go to? That went all the way, let's see, 1, 2. The fib it would have stopped at would have been probably the 50% retracement. 1248 was as far as it could have gone. It went past that, so it kind of made me change where I think this is going. Now I think this is probably a flat. It looks like a flat. We have 1, A, and then B comes all the way back to the starting point, basically, but doesn't pass it. And then this is the start of C. This move right here is 1. So what I'm expecting is tomorrow we'll probably, I could zoom in and see. I'm just going to go ahead and assume that tomorrow we do the second wave, probably the whole day, all the way back to 1287, maybe even all the way back to 13. I haven't even looked at futures. I saw that SPY is most likely going to bounce based off the options chain. So tomorrow I am looking for 1287. So I'll put this right here, and that would be 2. And we're going to say this is 1. So then what can we expect after that? Let's go ahead and chart it out. If this is the first wave, we're going to do 5 waves. Probably come down here to about 1168 for the third wave. So that'd probably be next week, I'm guessing. Third wave. And then bounce. So we got probably somewhere around 12. And then this would take us to, let's see, compared to the all-time low, or the low from a couple weeks ago. Look at that. The 50% is exactly A, where the A went. 61 would take us to 1096. I don't see us breaking this low now, based off today's move. I think we're going to come down to either 1115 all the way down to about 1096. That's my target for wave C. So let's do 5 right here. So that would be the second wave overall. So 2, And if that happens, we can start moving up towards higher prices going into earnings. So if this is the case, we'd still be looking for 1543 on the next move higher, which would come after earnings. We just got to hold this 1050 level for this to be valid, and then we can move up to 1543 for level 3. So 3 up here. I mean, I think at this point everyone would take over 15. I'm long on this stock too, but I know tomorrow if we do bounce to 1280 to 1290, I am definitely going to be hedging with some puts and holding, till the 11s. And if my thesis plays out, make some good money on those, and then flip long for the third wave and heading into earnings. I actually bought calls today, 1250 calls for March 18th. I bought them early when I still have my other thesis intact, and tomorrow I'm just going to try to get out when we bounce to the high 12s, possibly even 13, and I should be profitable on those if we do bounce. So just wanted to give an update. To summarize, I think we are headed down in a flat down to the low 11s for the second wave. Probably, I would say probably next Friday, maybe a little bit longer, maybe like the 20th. So there could be like a 10-day slow, annoying grind down, and then when earnings, we could even pop into earnings, or this could be after earnings. We could hit 15 or so. So there's my update. Let me know what you think. Where do you think we're going? Like and subscribe.